Hi guys, today I want to show you how I clean my tracks on the layout. What I've done, I have customized these two cars here. I have built this kind of piece of boards, ABS plastic at the bottom, and I have screwed it into this ABS here. And I screwed these two screws into the body of the car to kind of center and stabilize this piece here. And there are two screws going through here, these two in the center, screwed into this ABS. So you can see these two, I don't know, they kind of move together, and this goes up and down, so it's loose. So these weights here push down on this little board here on the tracks, so they keep the pressure on the track at all times. So you can put more weight if you want to put more pressure. So make sure you don't cut this too thin, because the edges will catch on to the tracks, especially on the turns. And you have to kind of curve the ends. Don't keep it straight. So see these ends here, they're kind of curved up, so this way they don't catch to the switches or some tracks. So what I do, I use this cardboard here. I buy this from Home Depot. These are used for drywalling. These are, I think they're called, I bought this years ago. They come in a bundle of, I think, 100. They're 3 foot long. I cut this to little pieces so it's easy to use. They're 3 foot long and about 100 of them, and they cost about $10–11. You will never run out of them. So, and then I use this double-sided tape. I get this from Tap Plastics. So it's double-sided. You peel the paper off, and then I cut this to the size of the tape and then stick it on this ABS board here. So first, when I want to use it, I sand it until it gets rough, and you see the color gets also different. So you want to sand it first. Don't use it like that. It's too shiny, kind of smooth, too smooth of a surface. It won't absorb very well. Some people use Masonite. Masonite is too dense, to my opinion. I work with Masonite. I use for home repairs and stuff all the time, and it's very dense. This is cardboard, and it will absorb the oil and grease and dirt much better than the Masonite, and it's pretty thick too. So I run this on the track. When it gets dirty, then I use this block sandpaper and sand it down until it gets clean. So like this one here, I've used it, and let me sand it for you so you can see the difference. And it doesn't take much. See, I've got clean. Let me do the other side. And this one is almost to the end. It's almost to the double-sided tape. So you can see it's very thin. And this one, I just put it on. It's pretty thick. You can use this one set for a very long time, and it will take maybe 20 times to get down to the tape. So, and it cleans very well. This is how I clean my tracks all the time. I use these two locomotives here, and as you can see, I put a lot of weight on it so it doesn't get derailed. So I put one in the front here, and then I put one in the back and run them on my layout. And there is a lot of tracks here. So it's 26.5 by 13.5 foot long room. So alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run it for you. So I'm gonna do one turn around, and then I'll show you the result. I'm gonna put it on pause for now. Okay, so I'm gonna run it all the way around here. I turned the lights on so you can see it. We'll go all the way back there, around. It will go along the wall, then it will come here on this yard, and it will go along there, and will come here, around here, and it will go and come back here. Alright then. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause for now. So here it comes on the bridges here. Alright guys, so one turn is done. Along the way I showed you some of my layout too, so you don't get bored. Alright, so there you see I picked up a lot of dirt here, and actually I keep them clean so it's not that bad. Sometimes when I don't clean it for a while it gets dirtier. But as you can see, it picked up some and got really dirty here. So yeah, this is basically how I clean, and it works very well. And as you can see, it did a full turn. It's about, I would say, 150-60 feet the entire run, and picked up that dirt. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video, and hopefully you can find it useful and make your own version of this cleaner. And so hopefully you can make some use out of this video. And don't forget to subscribe please, and like it. And until my next video, hopefully sometimes I'll make some time to make a video of my layout and show it to you guys. Alright, thanks for watching, and until the next video.